Ever had the thrill of finding that dream home only to be bogged down by the logistics of property visits, the to and fro, the scheduling, the time commitment? It can be daunting. In fact, to visit just 5 properties, you could be looking at a hefty commitment of up to 15 hours. That's almost 2 full working days. And here's a kicker. Often, it only takes 5 minutes to realize a property isn't quite right for you. That's a lot of time and energy potentially spent in vain. But hold on, what if there was a different way to go about this? A way that allows you to experience each property as if you were there, moving freely from room to room, engaging with a real estate agent as if you were both physically present in the space. And all this without stepping a foot outside your current home. Imagine being able to explore 5 properties, not in 15 hours, but in less than 2. This isn't just about saving time, it's about revolutionizing the home buying process into an enjoyable adventure. Enter the MetaVerse property tour. This is a realm where convenience intersects with thorough exploration. It transforms a traditionally tiresome process into an exhilarating venture. Picture this. You're not just browsing virtual real estate, you're immersing yourself in it. You're discovering your dream home in a manner that's not just economical, but genuinely enjoyable. So why not begin this journey today? The MetaVerse property tour isn't just a tool, it's a new way of finding homes. It's a game changer for home buyers, making the process less about overcoming hurdles and more about enjoying the ride. So embark on this journey with us today and experience the future of home buying. Welcome to the MetaVerse property tour, where we're redefining the way homes are found.